Hey, so we're back just really, really quick. I wanted to show you how you can tweak this for another scenario. So we got to the chapter to chapter scenario, and as I was writing out the article, I realized it might just be easier to show you how to do it. So we're going to come up here and we're going to go lead author, and then we are going to come through and co-author B is no longer going to be the weakness manager. He is going to be co-author. And my husband and I actually do have a situation like this where he is writing a chapter and then I come through and I write a chapter. And so we're going to keep the rest of all of that back end stuff the same. We're not going to muddy the waters. It's still my husband and I, still same co-author set. We're just changing our approach. So since we are not going to have anybody coming back behind us and managing our weaknesses, we're going to take that to 0 and this is going to get deleted. So this goes to 80% and this goes to 80%. Well, that 20% that we just took out there is going to be added here. So that's going to become 54%. Right? So now we're at 100% here. Now this 54% needs to be divided in half. 54 divided by 2 is 27. So co-author A gets 27% and co-author B gets 27%. Now, now we're up to 100% here as well. However, we've got this read through and make it draft sucks less as 1%. Well, now we've got two authors that are having to do this. So we're going to take that to 2 and this goes to 1. Now, one of the other things that we are going to do is he is going to take the line edits and I'm going to take the proofs. And we're at 101% and 101%. So since we're splitting up the edits, I'm going to make this 3% and that 3%. Now, technically speaking, that the line edit is going to be harder to do than the proof. So technically speaking, if you wanted to, you can make this 4 and 2. That is perfectly reasonable. And he gets 4%, and maybe I should move this over and do that. Yeah, let's do that. So now we see that our royalty split in this particular instance, even though it's 50-50 on the creation, is going to be 15% to the publisher, 44% to author A, and 41% to author B. Now let's take this one step further. Let's go to our scene to scene scenario where he's taking 40% of the scenes and I'm taking 60% of the scenes. And we're going to go ahead and split up the edits in the same way. So this 54% now needs to be split by 60%. So I'm just going to go up here because I don't remember what it is. Okay, so it's 32%. So author A is going to get 32%. And 54 minus 32 is 22, and that becomes 22%. So now in this particular scenario, in our scene to scene, where I am writing 60% of the scenes, he is writing 40% of the scenes, he's taking the line edit, and I'm taking the proof, our co-author split is going to be, our royalty split is going to be 15% goes to the publisher, 49% goes to co-author A, and 36% goes to co-author B. All right. I hope that made sense and that it didn't confuse you. It's not voodoo math, it's just breaking things down to make it easier to manage so that you can enter into a discussion and see which kind of partnerships really are going to work out best for what you want to get out of it in the end. All right, go be beautiful, be amazing, go fail wonderfully. All right, bye.